Hello everyone, warm welcome to my channel Learn and Upturn. In continuation to our JPSC series, today we will see the previous year questions and answers. Like जो आपका JPSC पैटर्न है, जिस पैटर्न में आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है जो कि ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछा जाता है प्रीलिम्स में, तो आज हम उसी पैटर्न पे रिवाइज़ करेंगे ताकि आपको पैटर्न भी समझ में आ जाए, रिवीजन भी हो जाए और प्रीवियस ईयर्स के जो कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं या कुछ जो इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस हैं उन्हें मैं आंसर के साथ इस वीडियो में बताऊंगी. लाइक आई विल नॉट गिव यू द 4 ऑप्शंस. आई विल जस्ट say the question and then directly I will let you know its answer. The topic which I have selected for today's objective type question answer is Jharkhand Executive, in which I will solve and I will answer you some previous years asked questions in JPSC and some other questions which is important for your upcoming JPSC examination. So let's begin the video. Objective question number 1. Who appoints the governor of Jharkhand state? इस तरीके से आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा. कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो सकता है, रैंडम क्वेश्चन. उसके साथ आपको 4 ऑप्शंस दिए गए होंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड प्रेसिडेंट. आपको उसमें से जो सही ऑप्शन है उसे सेलेक्ट करना है, उसे टिक करना है. तो इट वाज जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जांपल. मैं हर क्वेश्चन में आपको ऑल्टरनेटिव्स ऑप्शंस नहीं बताऊंगी. तो हमारा क्वेश्चन था कि हु अपॉइंट्स द गवर्नर ऑफ द स्टेट झारखंड. द आंसर इज the president. The president appoints the governor of the state Jharkhand. Second question, which article is related to the qualification of the governor? कौन सा आर्टिकल है जो जिसमें गवर्नर की जो क्वालिफिकेशंस होनी चाहिए, जो मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए उसके बारे में बताता है. तो द आर्टिकल 157 Article 157 says about the qualifications, the required qualifications of the governor. Next question. The function of the governor of the state Jharkhand is same as which level? The answer is the president at union level. President at union level का जो functions है, कि जो functionaire है, is as same as the function of governor of the state Jharkhand. When was the first elections held in Jharkhand? Answer is year 2000. Like the formation of the state Jharkhand was in year 2000. 15th of November 2000 में Jharkhand state का formation हुआ and in the same year 2000 first time elections भी हुए. Next question. The imposition of president rule in the state on the behalf of president. Imposition of the president rule in the state on behalf of the president is which power of the governor? It is an emergency power. The answer is emergency power. Next question. Who is the first female governor of the state Jharkhand? Who is the first female governor of the state Jharkhand? The answer is Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu is the first female governor of the state Jharkhand. Who was the first governor of the Jharkhand? Prabhat Kumar. Prabhat Kumar was the first governor of the state Jharkhand. Next question. Who is the first non-tribal chief minister of Jharkhand? Answer is Raghubar Das. Raghubar Das is the first non-tribal chief minister of Jharkhand. Next question. The real executive powers of state lies with the whom? Answer is chief minister. Chief ministers has the executive powers of the state. Now, the question which is asked frequently in JPSC, especially in 2014. Who was the first chief minister of Jharkhand? This is most important question. The first chief minister, first governor, whoever are the first is the most important in the history of Jharkhand. So our question is, who is the first chief minister of the state Jharkhand? The answer is Babulal Marandi. Babulal Marandi is the first chief minister after the formation of the state Jharkhand. How many members of parliament are elected from the state Jharkhand to Lok Sabha? Answer is 14. 14. How many members of parliament elected from Jharkhand to Rajya Sabha? Answer is 6. 6 members are elected from Jharkhand to Rajya Sabha. And this question was also asked in JPSC 2013. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of how many years? They are elected for a term of 6 years. Who was the first leader of opposition? Stephen Marandi. One question which is most important in terms of the chief ministers, chronologically chief ministers of holding their chair or post. Arrange the following chief ministers in chronological order in holding of their office. Like आपको 4 चीफ मिनिस्टर्स के ऑप्शंस दिए गए होंगे जो झारखंड के एक्चुअली में चीफ मिनिस्टर्स रहे हैं किसी न किसी ड्यूरेशन, किसी न किसी पीरियड में, बट आपको उन्हें क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करने से हमारा मतलब है कि आफ्टर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द स्टेट, ठीक है, जो चीफ मिनिस्टर पहले बने तो नंबर 1 पे वो हो जाएंगे, उनके बाद जो चीफ मिनिस्टर बने सेकंड पे वो, देन एंड देयर आफ्टर जो चीफ मिनिस्टर्स बने, आपको उस ऑर्डर में लाइक फर्स्ट वन को सबसे फर्स्ट में रखेंगे हम, और जो सबसे लास्ट में बने हैं उन्हें हम 4th नंबर पे रखेंगे. ऑप्शंस आर श्री अर्जुन मुंडा, श्री बाबूलाल मरांडी, श्री हेमंत सोरेन एंड श्री रघुवर दास. तो इन चारों चीफ मिनिस्टर्स में से जो झारखंड के पहले चीफ मिनिस्टर थे, मतलब जिन्होंने सबसे पहले पोस्ट को संभाला, वो थे श्री बाबूलाल मरांडी. तो नंबर 1 पे बाबूलाल मरांडी हो गए. सेकंड, बाबूलाल मरांडी के बाद इन तीनों में से जिन्होंने पोस्ट को संभाला वो थे अर्जुन मुंडा. तो सेकंड हो गया अर्जुन मुंडा, ठीक है. देन आफ्टर दैट हेमंत सोरेन एंड रघुवर दास में से जिन्होंने पहले चीफ मिनिस्टर का चेयर या पोस्ट संभाला वो थे हेमंत सोरेन. तो 3rd नंबर पे हेमंत सोरेन. एंड 4th यानी सबसे लास्ट में जो सबसे लेटेस्ट रहे हैं इन चारों में वो है श्री रघुवर दास. तो ये आपका क्रोनोलॉजिकल पैटर्न हो गया चीफ मिनिस्टर्स का. ये भी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है इन टर्म्स ऑफ जेपीएससी 2021. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सेज that the governor of the state will be elected by president by warrant under his hand and seal? Answer is Article 155. 155. So these were some of the objective type questions which is important for your upcoming JPSC 2021 examinations, in which I have given few questions, few previous years questions and their answers too. You can note down these questions for your more precise note preparation, or you should have information about these Jharkhand basics executive knowledge. I will be bringing more such objective question answer type videos on various topics related to Jharkhand. I upload video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. This month I will only be uploading videos related to Jharkhand GS paper 2, general studies paper 2, that is Jharkhand specific. So stay tuned to my channel for more such valuable and informative content. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel Learn and Upturn. You can also like and comment on my videos, and you can freely share this video with your family and friends. If you have any doubts or any queries regarding my today's video, you can write in the comment section below. I will reply you then and there only. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. Take care and bye.